Working on a team can be tough. That's where TCM comes in. Team collaboration mapping is a cost-effective solution that actually solves everyday problems that occur on teams. In 4 straightforward steps, it enables teams to learn about their capabilities and create practical action plans to become more successful.
TCM is the culmination of over 30 years of experience, helping teams in hundreds of organizations to improve communication, decision-making, execution, and team engagement.
So, if you're interested in solving your problems on your teams, please visit teamcollaborationmapping.com and book a free consultation.